Let's just say I'm addicted to the bye-bye knots at this point because Unice has been killing it with this type of wig, okay? So this is a 7x5 lace, and this is the package that it came in. This retails for about $230. I believe it's on special, and I might have a coupon code in the description box. You probably could also find this on Amazon. I'm not gonna hold you. The truth is not hiding, that's just the way we are. Now this came with a whole bunch of goodies like some eyelashes, and then it has a little card that shows you the difference between regular lace and the bye-bye lace, which comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The lace is cut for you. Everything is done for you so you can maximize your time and you don't have to spend time customizing, because I know a lot of the girls out there don't like to do that. So this is what the wig looks like straight out the package. I do suggest washing the unit. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but girl, wash the unit. Yeah, we could just walk away. Now this wig is ready for you to wear. So this is a glueless option. You can use glue, that is up to you. It does have an elastic band, it has combs, has everything you need for a glueless install. But for me, this particular tutorial, I am going to use a little bit of glue. You're going to see where. And this just a close-up of the lace. I did see that they did send a robe, Unice. Your girl is plus size, so we're going to need plus size robes because the robe was really nice and soft. But anyway, let's get in straight into this install. Look at how the hairline looks, and I didn't do anything but straighten this and wash it, okay? So I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I'm gonna put that underneath the lace just to help it blend in with this chocolate skin we have going on, okay? But yeah, so unfortunately, these clips, my lighting is not the best, but we're gonna make the best of it. You can still see exactly what's going on, and I'm just gonna stipple the makeup underneath it. I like using makeup because if it is the wrong shade, or if I did get lighter or darker, I can easily wash it and use a different shade. So I have one of those invisible stocking caps. I don't know about you guys, but lately I just do not like molding my stocking caps down. So I have not. And I found out that the invisible lace, especially the stocking caps that Unice sends, the little thin stocking looking ones, are the best for that because you can't really see it underneath your wig, but it'll definitely protect your hair and hold your hair down. So I did go ahead and flop the wig on my head, and as you can see, straight out the pack with a little bit of makeup on, it is giving. You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, maybe. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart. So at this point, I'm looking at the lace. The lace is looking melted without me even putting any product besides makeup on it, okay? And I'm just looking like, wow, like that really didn't take that much effort. So, but for me, I am going somewhere, so I do want to secure it down and make sure that the edge of the lace is laying as flat as possible. So I'm going to take this Red by Kiss Glueless spray, and I'm going to put a thin layer in the front of the hairline, like on my skin, and blow dry it until it gets tacky. Once it gets tacky, I'm going to lay the lace down and blow dry it until it's fully dry. And even at that point, the lace is looking so amazing. Like, this lace was not super thick. It blended in with my skin. Even though I had to tint it, it still looked amazing, as you can see. I decided to go for the non-baby hair route because I was just like, this wig is giving natural vibes and I don't need it to have baby hairs because it was just so clean looking. So I don't know about you guys, right? But I find when I do glueless products, the edge of the lace always sticks up and it bothers me. So I like to take a little bit of Bold Hold Active or any of the Bold Hold glues, actual glues, and I like to put the tiniest bit underneath the edge so the edges can stay down, because no matter, I think it's just the way that my forehead is shaped, that like no matter what product I use that is glueless, the edge of that lace just kind of like flips up in the front and it just bothers me. So I like to take a little bit of glue and I like to put it underneath that little edge right there, and I like to push it down, and I will not have any problems with the edges lifting. So once that's done, I'm gonna take some Spritz and spray it on the hairline and wrap it down with my elastic edge band and let it marinate until it is melted all the way down. So one thing I like about Yaki straight units is that you don't need to have a high density wig for this wig to look thick, and this wig is thick, girl. Like, oh my god. It's just giving natural vibes. And if I would recommend any wig to a natural girl that likes like some texture to their hair that's not all the way silky, this will be it for you guys. Like, it still feel like texture, but once you flat iron it but you need the flat iron that you need for this is the nano flat iron that's in my description box. Like, you just need that one because it's going to get it straight. It's still going to give it texture, but it's going to make it like super flat. Now this is a 24-inch, but it's definitely giving 26 on me. I am about 5'4". I am a size 22.5 head, so if you are big head, this is big head friendly, and I'll definitely have this link down below in the description box for you, just in case if you are interested. And until next time, bye best friends. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you.